Hello viewers, here's the 7 latest set of gadgets for your vehicle. You're gonna see a lot of cool stuff that'll improve your safety, cleaning skills and take care of your health. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. A mini vacuum for car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. The large dust bin capacity is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit, housed in an ergonomic design. Car Trunk Organizer. Tired of clunky storage trunks taking up space? Easily fold away the car organizer when you're done and store with ease. Car Trunk Organizer has a tie-down strap system with adjustable securing straps to keep your belongings in place while braking. AstroAI Air Compressor. High-quality materials were sourced for this tire inflator as it can pump up your car's tires with 35L min. It can inflate the 195/55 R15 car tire from 0 to 35 psi under 5 minutes. Professionally calibrated to always return a reading within 1.5% of the pressure of your tire. Please note that after 10 to 15 minutes of continuous use, let the air compressor rest and cool for an equal amount of time at a minimum before continuing use. Rove R24K camera. The Rove R24K camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. Revolutionary super night vision technology, ultra-low Lienser NT 96660 plus Sony IMX335, helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light condition. Use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our car DVD player. We provide free firmware upgrade for this car camera. Next thing is Drop Stop. Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding and behind seat belt catch. Drop Stop attaches to the seat belt catch via built-in slot, moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. As seen on Shark Tank, Drop Stop blocks that annoying yet ever so dangerous gap between your car or truck seat and center console. Drop Stop is the original and patented seat gap filler. Drop Stop will never fall apart and lasts a lifetime. Each package comes with 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, universal fit. You also get 2 bonus gifts, a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. Wireless car charger mount. Made with latest standard and built-in Lastus smart chip, the third-generation reinforced copper coils is a core for fast charging compared to standard wireless car charger mount. This car phone mount wireless charger can provide overcurrent, overheat, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection to ensure charging safety. This car wireless charger uses environmentally friendly ABS material shell and quality mirror panel. It's very durable. Built-in powerful motor provides the perfect clamping force to automatically lock your smartphone into a non-slip silicone pad base and hold the phone firmly even on rough roads. Minger Unifilar Car LED Strip Light. The light's tape's back come with strong adhesive, a line connect with 4 strip lights, no need assemble the strip light, easier to install and hide. This cigarette lighter plug has switch and indicator light, built-in fuse, effectively protect the vehicle lights. Suitable for any model cars. Car LED light strip has a working voltage of 12 volts and powered by car charger are equipped with short-circuit protection and memory function. IP65 waterproof, extremely low heat, touchable and safety for children. Forget the remote, what easy to lose, we provide a more convenient and fashion controller. Enjoy to change the color, brightness, music mode. And you can stick the controller on the nearby next to you for safety drive. What's more, you can use the app to control the light. Come with RGB car LED strip, over 16 million colors and different tones for selection. You can create your own unique color to perfect enhancement for upgrading your car.